가보다 뽑행안에 아니 벽이 장마 장매 전도 니돈 줍든디 양야기 세다 쇼고요 맥로드간지 진당가베체 숨주 다리 아니 뽑아 침보다 가서 침병안에 아니 벽이 장매 전도 탱 정아바디 니돈 줍든 롤차기 요래 디 고주 지규 세라 장기요 아니 다리행게 전도 디나라 단다바도 아니 장매 전도 디 토라 주슈낭에 망쇼디 차디고 요래 로중에 응원즈 루규나라 아니 단다바도 망쇼디 죽충 요래 대리 고충스 아니 탱 실라 주슈칭에 직마시 마중하데 중요래 아니 자베 벽에 장매 전도 디 니동이라 고주래 다 대리행게 전도나라 주슈나라 쇼게 고보디 당보들라 치미 긴좀레 로니슈 모란 딜리네레샤
Hello everyone and thank you all so much for coming here. My name is Shimi Kinzom. I'm 20 years old from New Delhi. I graduated this year in degree of English Literature from the University of Delhi. Growing up in a Tibetan community and studying in a Tibetan school really allowed me to see that being compassionate has no boundary. Through compassion, I was able to learn and grow the woman I have become today. I'm grateful and honored to participate in the 15th Miss Tibet pageant with all the talented women. I'm really looking forward to it. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone. My name is Migmar Dolma. I am 22 years old and I'm from New York City, United States of America. I'm currently pursuing my nursing degree at LaGuardia Community College. And I came to participate in Miss Tibet 2017 because I believe that this is a great platform for young Tibetan women like ourselves to come and showcase our talents and our aspirations. I would like to thank the people of Dharamsala for welcoming us and also especially Mr. Lobsang Wongila for giving us such great opportunity to compete in this year's pageant. And last but not least, I would thank God for letting me fulfill one of my dreams. Tuchina.
Sumba di Selje, Vienna, Austria, Europe la yube gegab Austria.
First of all, I would like to thank each and every one of you guys for coming here. And myself, my name is Selden, and I'm currently living in Vienna city, which is in Austria. I'm 19 years old, and I was born in Tibet. I'm the only contestant who was born in Tibet. And I feel so great to be here, because for me, I think Miss Tibet pageant is such a great opportunity to all those Tibetan women, young women, and most important thing, I think I really want to be such a great role model for the young Tibetans, and I really want to thank Mr. Lobsang Wongila for giving us such a great opportunity. Thank you.
Dene Shiba de la Tenzin Keju Lo Nisani Bangalore Nisha.
A very good morning to all. Thank you so much for coming here. My name is Tenzin Keche and I am 22 years old. And currently I'm pursuing my Bachelor of Science of Nursing in St. John's National Academy of Health Sciences. And according to my hobby, I love singing, as I consider singing is my passion. And this Miss Tibet pageant is one of my dreams, and this is one of my biggest dreams. And about Miss Tibet pageant, I think Miss Tibet beauty is not only about a beauty and their talent, but the most important thing are inner beauty and education, where the education is the key of our life or key to success. And also Miss Tibet represents our country to the international arena to make aware about the life of Tibetan people living in Tibet under the Chinese brutal rules. And for them, we have to make aware and also to make a forum for our younger generations to come up and express themselves. So thank you so much.
Ngaba de la Tenzin Nordjo Lo Nishu Chontrane.
Hello everyone. Oh my god, it just feels so great to be here. Like finally, like those cameras and the director and other competitors. It just feels like one of those childhood dreams actually. Okay, so anyways, my name is Tenzin Noden Zolasang and I'm 20 years old right now. Currently, I'm doing my BE History Honours from Delhi University. And for me, being a Miss Tibet is all about the confidence. Because in most of the Tibetan girls, they lack in the confidence. Otherwise, they have the ability or the capability to do everything. And see, there are only 9 girls here and most of the girls are down there. So obviously we are up here to influence them to come up here and explore the stage. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Wow, great. Chokba de la Tenzin Norzom lo Nisani Manaline.
Firstly, I'm Tenzin Norzom and I'm 22 years old from Manali, and I'm pursuing my BA integrated course in Varanasi and in a line of teaching courses. And I'm very grateful here today because all the contestants are here, very beautiful girls, and I'm so blessed that we Tibetan girls are lagging behind the conference, but we are the girls who come up on the stage and performing them. So I'm very glad that we are here today, and I'm very thankful.
Dumba de la Tenzi Pedro lo Nisaji Collegal Shijane.
Just a very good morning, everyone. My name is Tenzin Palden. I'm 21-year-old from Bengaluru, actually from Kollegal. I'm working for SpiceJet. It's been almost 1 year that I'm working for SpiceJet Airline as a cabin crew. And a part of this, I love to do modelings and shoots, traveling, learning a new culture. In Miss Tibet, I just wanted to give a message to the young generation. The message I would love to give to all the young generation over there. No matter what, you have to be confident. Doesn't matter how you look like, how you're shaped. No matter how you look, you all are beautiful, gorgeous, you should know that. You should not define by what you're wearing, you should not define what materials well. All you have to do is to be confident. And I just wanted to give a message to everyone, then be confident, stand up. You know that there is no limitation, that you can walk higher. And this is all I wanted to say. Thank you so much. Thanks for coming.
Geba de la Tenzi Yangi lo Nisena Belogo Bashijane.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Tenzin Yanki and I hail from Bailakupi. I did my schooling from CST Bailakupi. I'm a nurse by profession and I did my BSc nursing course from St. Martha's Hospital, Bangalore. Today I'm very happy and excited to be here because it was my long cherished dream to take part in Miss Tibet Beauty Pageant, and here I am today. So I believe this itself is the biggest achievement in my life. Being a nurse has taught me how to be selfless, and I believe that I feel truly happiness in that. In addition to that, it is a profession which never stops giving, and it has been rightly said by His Holiness the Dalai Lama that our prime purpose in our life is to help one another, and if we can't help each other, at least we shouldn't hurt them. So my goal in life is to never stop giving to Tibetan community, and so if I achieve this Miss Tibet Beauty Pageant, I'll surely never stop giving to Tibetan community.
The Tama de la Tenzi Yeshi lo Nishu Belogo Bashijane. Then Yeshi.
Hi everyone, just late. My name is Tenzin Yeshi. I'm from Bangalore. Studied in St. Joseph College, Arts and Science. So why I participated in this Tibet pageant is because I think this platform is great for young Tibetan generation. And at the present time there are many role models, but there are few. So I want to be a role model for all the younger generation women. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Tenzin Yanki. On to Sresha. Ani Tandaboda Pegi Zame Tsen Shengen Jupshi Chungsa Yore Jupshin Ane Mangchevajik any Yeji Zame Dendo Dende Tola Zushi Chego Koba Chung and Dende Kokab Chung Kapsu Dana Shung Tone Magabe Namju Tuenche any Dangsem Chimbu Tone any Pegi Pime any Zame Dendo Tola Zushu Chela Kango Na Tapshe Cheorela any Koranzo Bezin Chabanashi Kakashela Koranzo Tunda Dubgo Yavanashi Tunde Koranzo Tunde Chungore. Then Kashi was Dindunima Chitin Chogan and the Chachayore. Pegi Zame Dindo di Sidun the Java Belishimare. The Pimeg Nudobe the Javaji Chatiore. Kissing on the Pimeg Nudobe get a Shebaragina and Kayo Layo told a Dogoyana any Dirigi. Any danger mango Google machine, and Dilla any Kashure, Yada Numa Jabanashi, Dele Chapsi Teche, the Nana Tata Digimar, Dijana Shungutone, Nana Ding in North Shasamgo. And around the Zenju permit Digutoni near kalor ngaranzu jizo thone ne peme nido pe la chongtu cho dyang de na ani nido pe khang khandes pe na nya go chog mendo chesa dende thone tanda phege jangme dendo di yakshyo da ani dimashi mewa ding shugo yo mare dit la dit shin la khandar ta ji ya jangme dendo ran labgo yo mare khanda dengja mango tu na ani shine peme nido pe gi nyadan chagir ma shi shene peme nido pe gi kamyo jangsu an chongtu jangso de na peme nido pe gi dende ka dumde thyen ka thongmendo de na ring shoro jundo chung ta dene ngoshi dendo di thola shubarji na 친다 두번 세니 인가데 아니 한다 개교육이 된도데 제그래 인구 잡라래 데네 치제 숨 인가데라 코란조 가면 나야지다 아니 교제가 돌아 된도 나야데레 레르니 돌아 친다 숨베 친다 두번 세숨 인가데 아니 되가도 고모치즈 두만에 고즈는 그래 안데네 응시 된도 타메 된도디 아니 친다 두번 세시 인가데 아니 레림 시 돌아 된도 난 그래 디니모데 아니 코란조 오르 나야데 직제 안데네야 치루기 단다 근제지 경연열에 가운 슈거에 인지 톨이나 디 된도 되체 데네 아니 투마 마임베 베베 체교기 된도 체 안디슈라 타메 타주운데라 카슈레 수바만 남베게 잔디 나야 주레 원디 된도 슈그레 디 사회 제라 아니 안게 당보데라 곰 bom직지 먼저 로다스레 난게 요레 디 bom직지 소레 나야레 니버데라 동랑갑지 소레 나야체 숨바데라 곰 동라 니생아 소레 난게 요레 아니 안게 당보 진다디 달로 텐진 charlie shunge jore thaben la ani quran thanda purba international ki da jinda dire ani quran thaben la yude ange thangbo jinda de quran dos chesore nangsu ning thaban tho che shuya yin ange nibe jinda di temba dorje la california shunge quran ki dos che ange tonda ngab ju di quran ki jinda nangsu ani temba dorje ko la big sam shubar jina quran ki da thanda bodo da khandar quran sa subo da yako khangle chung yore enta quran yako yebe kapsu ani da chizol ya pha 딜렌제 제도 아니 고랑게 된다 레시지 짬나요레 마이 빌리지 니에 통셉 라니 다 컨더 레시디 벨로고 바시자라 주나샤 안디 토라 레시디 토네 숑겔 아니 레메 숑게 코난 넘버 아니 레가티야기 베젠 셰드리샤 아니 다른게 건소다 컨더 벽에 장면 전도 탱 정아바디 니돈 줍딘라 도시 소고 요야자 다리 상마 차수 아니 다리 먼저 근데 저도 응시 다 간다 덴돌 되게디 아니 강래 용야다 지가란 저게 배전 쉬와나시 아니 야고 용야게 도체 mellam shuguyo lenge soene simutogo yume remin shuguyo tochena